Best Smart Sprinkler Controllers for 2025. Save water, time, and money. Rainbird Arc 8 Smart Sprinkler Controller. The Rainbird Arc 8 offers professional irrigation control with 8 zones, customizable start times, long watering durations, seasonal adjustments, and app control, ensuring efficient year-round watering management. Netro Smart Sprinkler Controller. The Netro Smart Sprinkler Controller offers quick setup and plant intelligence, managing 6 zones with Alexa compatibility. It saves up to 50% water by considering plant type and weather data. Wise Sprinkler Controller. The Wise Sprinkler Controller is affordable, user-friendly, and DIY-friendly, controlling up to 8 zones with environmental optimization. It offers weather-based watering and moisture tracking with a subscription. Orbit Beehive XR. The Beehive XR improves on its predecessor with dual-band Wi-Fi, weatherproof design, and LED display, controlling up to 16 zones with intelligent WaterSense scheduling. Rakio 3 Wi-Fi Smart Lawn Sprinkler Controller. The Rakio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller excels with hyperlocal weather adaptation, controlling up to 16 zones, smart home compatibility, leak detection, and smart scheduling, ensuring efficient, waste-free watering. Rain Machine Pro Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Controller. The Rain Machine Pro offers offline control with a 6.5-inch HD touchscreen, supports 12 or 16 zone models, and integrates with major smart home systems, ideal for advanced users. Irrigreen Smart Sprinkler System. The Irrigreen Smart Sprinkler System uses digital nozzle printing for precise water patterns, reducing water usage by up to 50%.
Go to GearBrain for more information.